So we have two sets of cameras, one long range and the other one short range, and then there's the compute. So let's start with the long range cameras. We have three long range cameras here in the front, 150 degrees, 50, and then 28. So we see both long range and wide field of view. In production, these are going to be only two cameras and not three. Then we have a rear corner camera about 100 degrees here, another rear corner, front corner camera 100 degrees on this side. Then these two are replicated on the other side. And then we have a rear camera here about 50 degrees. So I've shown you now 8 cameras. In production, it's 7. These are long-range cameras. And then we have parking cameras that are fisheye cameras, 180 degrees each, one on each side mirror, one in the front grille, and one in the rear bumper. So altogether, 8 plus 4 gives us all the sensing, the camera sensing of the car. Now let's go to the compute. So we have the compute in the trunk, and it's based on 2 IQ5 systems. So the brain of the system is 2 IQ5. This is this box here, 2 IQ5 systems. We have here a PC, which the policy computing is done on the PC. In a few months, it's going to move into the IQ5. That's it. This is all the hardware that's powering the camera subsystem of the car.